Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying the backup source and free space so the restore can complete without interruption. Once you confirm your Google Drive or iCloud account is linked, uninstall WhatsApp only if you need a fresh restore. Otherwise, use the built-in restore flow. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and the phone is charging. Doing this prevents partial restores and reduces corruption risk. Now, reopen WhatsApp and follow the app prompts to verify your number and detect the cloud backup, so the process starts automatically. You will see a restore button after verification. Tap it and watch the progress. The app pulls message history first, then downloads media. Photos may arrive later as thumbnails expand into full images. If restore stalls, make sure you remain on Wi-Fi and the phone stays awake. Background kills can break the process. Once done, WhatsApp reconstructs galleries from the media folder. If the cloud backup isn't detected, switch to local backup recovery using files stored in /WhatsApp/databases and /WhatsApp/media. You finish by confirming photos are visible in chats and the gallery. If thumbnails appear but full images fail, clear cache and reopen WhatsApp. Once done, reindexing may take minutes as media resyncs. If items remain missing, locate an older backup file by date in /WhatsApp/databases and rename to match the restore pattern, then reinstall and restore. Make sure to back up again after success. Key tip: if a restore fails repeatedly, try restoring from an earlier backup to recover lost photos.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.